Are you tired of paying high prices for flights? What if there were simple secrets to help you save big and travel smarter? In this video, we'll be sharing the secret flight hacks airlines don't want you to know. These tips will give you an edge when booking your next flight, whether you're looking for lower prices or a more comfortable journey. Stick around for some game-changing travel hacks that could transform your flying experience. Make sure to stay till the end and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more travel tips and hacks like these. Number 1. Book flights on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. One of the best-kept secrets in the airline industry is that the best time to book flights is typically on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Airlines often release their weekly deals on Monday nights, and by Tuesday afternoon you can snag some of the best prices. This is because competitors quickly match prices, and airlines want to fill their planes with as many passengers as possible. By booking midweek, you're more likely to catch these deals before prices start to rise again. Additionally, booking on weekdays instead of weekends can result in lower prices, as many people tend to book flights on weekends when demand is higher. Another trick to consider is booking flights during off-peak hours. Airlines often have sales during odd hours, and if you're checking flights early in the morning or late at night, you might be able to find a much cheaper rate. Timing is everything when it comes to booking flights, and being strategic can help you save a significant amount of money. Number 2. Use incognito mode for searching flights. When searching for flights online, always use your browser's incognito or private browsing mode. Airlines track your search history and can raise prices if they see you're repeatedly looking for the same flight. By browsing privately, you prevent the airlines from knowing how often you've been searching, which can help you avoid price hikes. It's a simple yet effective hack to ensure you're getting the best rates available. Airlines use dynamic pricing algorithms that adjust based on demand. So if they notice you've been looking for the same flight multiple times, they might increase the price, thinking you're more likely to book. Using incognito mode eliminates this possibility, allowing you to see the best available prices without the manipulation. In addition to using incognito mode, you can also try using different search engines or flight comparison websites. Websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak often offer a variety of options, and you might find different prices or routes than what appears on the airline's official site. Always compare multiple sites before making your final decision. Number 3. Clear your browser cookies. Even if you're not using incognito mode, clearing your browser cookies is another useful trick. Cookies are small files stored by websites to track your browsing habits. Airlines use these to monitor your activity and adjust prices based on your interest in certain flights. By regularly clearing your cookies, you can keep these price hikes at bay and ensure you're seeing the lowest possible fares. Airlines want to make sure you feel the pressure to book, especially when you've already spent time looking at a particular flight. Clearing your cookies can give you a fresh slate and ensure you don't get trapped by these manipulative tactics. It's also a good idea to use a different device or browser from time to time when searching for flights. This prevents the airlines from associating your searches with the same profile, and you might find cheaper rates this way. If you want to take it a step further, using a VPN can also help mask your location and potentially unlock cheaper fares offered in different regions. Number 4. Consider alternate airports. When booking a flight, don't just look at the main airport in your destination city. Check nearby airports as well. For example, if you're flying into New York, look at both JFK and Newark airports. Sometimes flying into a less popular airport can save you money, even after factoring in any extra transportation costs to get into the city. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your total fare. In cities with multiple airports, there's often a price difference, and smaller airports can sometimes offer cheaper rates. They may also be less congested, making the airport experience less stressful. For example, in London, Heathrow is the busiest airport, but flying into Gatwick or Stansted can offer significant savings. Similarly, in the US, flying into smaller airports near major hubs like Chicago O'Hare or Los Angeles International could save you money. Make sure to check the transportation options to your final destination from these alternate airports to ensure the cost doesn't outweigh the savings on your flight ticket. Number 5. Book 2. One-way tickets instead of a round trip. Many people assume that round-trip tickets are always cheaper, but that's not the case. In some situations, booking two separate one-way flights can be more affordable. By searching for flights on different airlines, you can often find a combination of one-way tickets that is less expensive than a round trip with the same airline. It's worth checking out this option for flexibility and potential savings. In fact, booking separate tickets can allow you to take advantage of special promotions that airlines offer on one-way flights. For example, some low-cost carriers might have a great deal on one-way flights, while other airlines might offer a discounted return ticket. Mixing and matching airlines can give you the opportunity to take advantage of these offers and ensure you're getting the best deal. Just be sure to check the baggage fees and additional costs, as they may vary from airline to airline. Number 6. Travel during off-peak times. Airlines typically charge more during peak travel seasons, such as holidays and summer vacations. However, if you have the flexibility to travel during off-peak periods, you can find significantly lower fares. Flying during the shoulder seasons like spring or fall can offer huge savings without the crowds. Not only are flights cheaper during these times, but you'll also enjoy less crowded airports and a more relaxed travel experience. Additionally, avoid flying on weekends if possible. Many business travelers book flights on Mondays and Fridays, leading to higher demand and higher prices. If you can shift your travel to weekdays, you'll often find lower prices. The same goes for flying on holidays. If you can fly on the actual holiday, such as Christmas or Thanksgiving Day, you'll usually find that prices are lower compared to the days leading up to it. Number 7. Use airline miles and points for upgrades. If you're a frequent flyer, you probably have a collection of airline miles or credit card points. A great way to use these rewards is for upgrades to business or first class. Airlines often offer upgrades for a small amount of miles or points, which can be a much better value than redeeming them for free flights. Sometimes it's even possible to get an upgrade for as little as 10,000 miles, which can make your flight much more comfortable without breaking the bank. Additionally, you can use points to reduce the cost of your flights. Many credit card companies offer travel rewards cards that give you miles or points for every dollar you spend. Accumulating these points can make a huge difference in your travel costs, allowing you to book flights at a significant discount or even for free. Number 8. Check for hidden city ticketing. Hidden city ticketing is a trick where you book a flight with a layover in your final destination, but you only get off at the layover airport, not completing the full journey. For example, if you're flying to New York but there's a cheaper flight that connects in New York and then goes to Miami, you could book the New York to Miami flight and just get off at the layover in New York. This can save you a significant amount of money. However, there are some risks involved. First, airlines disapprove of this practice, and if they catch you, they might cancel your return flight or refuse to allow you to board the next leg of your journey. Additionally, if you have checked baggage, it will go to the final destination and not to your layover city. So, while hidden city ticketing can be a money-saving hack, it's important to understand the risk before using it. Number 9. Sign up for airline newsletters and alerts. One of the best ways to score amazing deals is to be the first to know about them. Airlines often release flash sales or special promotions to their email subscribers or loyalty program members. By signing up for newsletters, you'll get alerts for discounted fares, last-minute deals, and exclusive offers that aren't advertised on their website or third-party platforms. If you're serious about finding the best deals, set up price alerts on flight comparison websites like Google Flights or Kayak. These alerts notify you when the price of your desired flight drops, helping you catch a great deal before it sells out. Be sure to have a separate email account for your flight deals so it doesn't clog up your primary inbox. Number 10. Consider booking a red-eye flight. Red-eye flights, which depart late at night and arrive early in the morning, are often much cheaper than daytime flights. Since fewer people want to fly at night, airlines reduce prices to encourage bookings. By booking a red-eye flight, you can save money while also getting to your destination in the morning, giving you more time to enjoy your trip. Additionally, flying overnight can also be a more comfortable experience if you prefer to sleep through the flight. These flights are typically less crowded, and you might even find that you have more room to stretch out. If you're traveling on a budget, red-eye flights are an excellent way to get the most bang for your buck while maximizing your time at your destination. And there you have it. Some of the secret flight hacks airlines don't want you to know. By using these tricks, you can save money, avoid hidden fees, and enjoy a much smoother travel experience. Remember, the next time you're booking a flight, use these tips to get the best deal possible. If you found these hacks useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insider travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure.